It's okay not to know something, right? It's even okay to be wrong from time to time. It's not like I haven't been plenty of times. But when you come off as a know-it-all and you're wrong, or you come off as somebody who thinks only regular working people are wrong and rich guys are always right, then you draw a lot of attention to yourself. Examples, Newt Gingrich. He worries about his rich investor friends who, quote, don't trust this administration. Said that on Sunday, right? And he got called out on it after saying it on Meet the Press. On this newscast by Bob. Rick Santelli, he appeared on TV and he mocked Americans who can't pay their mortgages, and then he got called out on that. And then there's Jim Cramer. Here now, Jon Stewart.
We haven't heard a thing from CNBC, although Jim Cramer did write an article for MainStreet.com complaining that we had unfairly used a video clip out of context to make it look like he recommended buying Bear Stearns stock a week before it collapsed. Okay, I was wrong. Actually, it's true. He wasn't saying to buy Bear Stearns. He was simply saying that if Bear was your broker or that your money was at Bear, your money would not disappear. He was not addressing the value of holding Bear stock. So, Jim Cramer, I apologize. That was out of context. Technically, you were correct. You weren't suggesting to buy Bear Stearns. That was something that you did 5 days earlier in your buy or sell segment.
I believe in the Bear franchise. You know what? It's $69. I'm not giving up on this thing.
Yeah! Of course, while Cramer wasn't giving up on Bear at 69, 11 days later, the stock market was more comfortable with it at 2. But it's all sort of equivocal. You know, I'm reiterating, I like Bear at 60s, I like Bear in 70s. He's not saying literally, I'm asking you to buy Bear Stearns. For that, you'd have to go back a full 7 weeks before the stock completely collapsed.
I'm asking people who are watching this video to buy Bear Stearns.
Now, that was 7 weeks before it collapsed. In the interest of context, continue.
I'm asking people who are watching this video to buy Bear Stearns. Now, Bear Stearns acts much better than it should. Now, that's just intuition. And I don't want to put too much faith in intuition, but I have had good intuition over 29 years of investing. And I just think that this one has a very big upside, very limited downside here. It is, I think that last quarter they've staunched the losses. They're very good at cutting their losses at Bear. But Bear, I believe, is for sale, and I think there are many buyers.
Could be a bidding war.
Yes.
All right, Jim Cramer, you said it here.
Telling
Wall
people
Street
to buy
Confidential.
Bear.
Buy Bear.
You!
That's not the end of it, folks. Cramer appears on the Today Show this morning, where he was shown, as he's looking at it, the Stewart clip. Here's that.
Jon Stewart and you are having a little war on words.
A comedian. A comedian's attacking me. Wow.
Runs Daily
He
Show.
runs a variety show.
All right, but you know what he's saying about you, that you advised investors to buy Bear Stearns. You said you were taken out of context.
On October 6th of 2008, I came on this show and did something you're never supposed to do if you have a stock show. I said people should sell everything. But that was 35% ago. I mean, whatever he says, Bear Stearns this or that, that was a call that should have wrecked my career. And it would have if the market gone up. But I stuck my neck out and did it and saved a lot of people money.
Let's show the tape that he from last night, okay? What he said about you.
Jim Cramer, I apologize. That was out of context. Technically, you were correct. You weren't suggesting to buy Bear Stearns. That was something that you did 5 days earlier in your buy or sell segment.
I believe in the Bear franchise. You know what? It's $69. I'm not giving up on this thing.
He's not saying literally, I'm asking you to buy Bear Stearns. For that, you'd have to go back a full 7 weeks before the stock completely collapsed.
I'm asking people who are watching this video to buy Bear Stearns.
Did you make a mistake?
Did I make a mistake? Okay, well, first of all, anytime you recommend a stock and it goes down, you've made a mistake. Here's a shocker. Almost every stock is down. Any stock you recommended is bad. You know, Warren Buffett, I could run tapes for him. He would look like a complete fool. This is a terrible market, which is why I told people to sell everything. But you think he's going to run that tape? No, because he's got a comedy show.
I thought the Daily Show's take on me getting tased was painful. Ouch.